Kibayok thamai yo kunyang covid kat khandai hapo kajala tang menta kasngi hadu kapor shibije kidon hadu san phundai ngut bat nang kini san phundai ngut san phusau ngut kidai tang na is khasils bakin thup ya hnriu ngut nak spai BSF sau pu prangut kiriu patba kat ba na is Giant Hills kidon sau ngut bat na west Giant Hills kidon yui kat kum kajinya thu jong director of health services u Dr. Amanwar kajala menta kadon san spa sau punyo ngut kibadon yo kunyang covid kat khandai bat tang ha is khasi hills kidon south spa nriu pun riungut nak sipai BSF kidon arspa prapun riungut kat bana kriu patba kidon shispa san khundai ngut bat nak iwei pat kitanat sipai kidon arpuai ngut hari bhai badon yuni khunyang jingpang kilong sau puai ngut ha west Giant Hills kidon khandai ngut ha east Giant Hills sau ngut ha west Garo Hills khat san ngut ha south west Garo Hills sau ngut ha South Garo Hills arngut ha East Garo Hills but North Garo Hills mariwei UDHS ulaya thuru ba menta kasngi kiladon nyongut kiblakot na uni khunyang jingpang bat da ni ka jingdon kini ki nyongut menta barok ibalayo e ka jingkot kidon khandai pusawngut ha barok kawai ka jela katkum ka jingya thu jong UDHS kibayo thamai ya u covid kat khandai menta kasngi na East Giant Hills kidon sawngut kini kidai nagatanat pulit bat kibaya bet na uwei pat pulit balayo kham men shwa katba ha is khas hills kibadon san sawngut khat lai ngut kidai wan phai na shabar ka jela bat arpho ngut pat kidai nakasnong mau pat circle 1 bat circle 3 bat kini ki arpho ngut kidai kibaya bet na kitu kibayo yuni khunyang jingpang hapo negrims hagaju kapor UDHS ulong ba kumba kalong menta ke sorkar ni katanat ke kot kekhia kadang la bante lakam ya uni khunyang jingpang hapo kajela bat unum patla setia ban ong ba keladai ka jing sapriang patba ni ka jingpur patba ni ka community spread katkum ka jing ong jong Dr. Amanwar katanat ke kot kekhia hadu menta kadang la bantip nangnu uni khunyang uyoben bat marmar hi kilala ban lapno ni ban budin no e kitu gibreu kibadan ni baya kendu bat kitu gibayo yo khunyang jingpang
kikis kibatmai kibangiyo hadu menta shibaje mensngi nado menen janmet kilong san phukhandai nagini ki san phukhandai East Khas Hills san phusau but nagini ki san phusau ki BSF ki long hnriu ki wei sa phufra East Giant Hills sau West Giant Hills iwei ki active cases khan kelum manta ki long sanspa sa punyo hapo East Khas Hills ngidon South Spa Hnriu BSF kidon Arspa Frafunriu kiwei Shispa San Phukhandai but ki Armed Forces kilong Arfway kapoi South Spa Hnriu po East Khas Hills Riboy ngidon Southway West Giant Hills Khandai East Giant Hills Phra West Garo Hills Khatsan Southwest Garo Hills South South Garo Hills Ar East Garo Hills Iwei North Garo Hills Iwei kibala recover hadu mentakasni nadu menen janmet kilong nyo but baro lang kibala recover kilong khandai pusau kibaklat no hadu menta nadu basdang gani kilong san ki sampel giba ngifa test baro lang hadu menne arbaje mensngi gilong life ar hajar newspa prafulai kibalong negative kilong life way hajar sauspa nrif hundai ki test kibang idang up ya ki result kilong kumba nruspa nrifufra kibarung sepok kejela kejongi nabar hadu menta kilong arfulai hajar praspa kadnyo Kini kilong kijing penpana. These are the information and status of COVID-19 till now. Kini mo kini cases ki bang iyo. Kini kidang ki san phukandai teli ki case. Na kini ki san phukandai ki bang iyo thamai hado manta kilong. Sao kidai na po East Jaintia Hills kini kidai ki contact jong itu police personnel bayo positive ningkong balik Jaintia bawan na po Garo Hills balik East Jaintia Hills West Jaintia Hills iway idei bawan pai na po Assam hapo East Khas Hills ngidon San Fusao Southway kidai ki contacts but Khatlai kidai ki returnees na kini nriu kidai ki BSF ki berai na po umpling Arfo kidai ki Maupat Circle 1 and 3 ki berai ki contact jong iway na ki balong positive hapo negrims po jiao kini ru kidai ki contact si ki berai jong ki positive case ki bengilada bio ngot kidai ki bon phai na Assam kini ki balong in contact kini ki bawan Assam ki dei wei ni jiao lum sentil but iwe ha jiao like dom na po Lower Nongrim Hills ki badai ki contact jong itu positive case ibawan na po ibawan keleng-keleng di banyak kali iwe na mulai Jayur ibalong in contact but iway na ki staff nurse balong positive hapo negrims Sao Mautawar kini gidi ki batre hapo ke sub center jongi ki balong ki bawan in contact but iway tu bayo positive na po negrims iway na po Bihar idei kena ibarang license but idei contact jong kita ki bawan wedding na po Bihar shua ka lockdown itu idei na po Kiting Road San na Lu Mauri ki bawan in contact but itu betray po GSI ibaran po negrims bastam Lai na Pentorum Kra ki bawan na po Guwahati Lai na Nong Mensong kidai bawan na po Bihar Lai hapo apa mau prem bat mau ba kidai ki bawan na Guwahati Iway na Lai Mkra bawan na po Guwahati Saulat bat Happy Valley ki bawan na po Guwahati Iway hapo Oxford Laban idei bawan na po Guwahati Oxford Laban gidi gitu kecaka po Maxwellton Estate gitu kini idei jeng pernah ada mentah non kontak wengi yo ni itu mulai sing itu tinggal ada penahanan menin piang no piang kontak ngim kami positif ni kita kontak ada mentah kini kita don hasnong kita lit ayu mentah kita lit shawiki
Apa kini ki kontak jong ini police personal apa East Jaintia Hills kita ki police na kita ki
police
barak
police barak kini hadu kini kita ki ba ngatrai kita kini ki forces ki bangihaban pelat mo kadon kawai ba kini ki wei barang ngi ong returnees bayak positif kini barak kini kita ki larung syuagar pulai kinang yo ki report menden pada kita jongki jadi gitu berkhot kita ki balar quarantine sudah definitely is worrying that is why there is this containment zone all over and plus we are going for the lockdown that because of that when we saw that number of cases yesterday which came out that is why that was a cause of worry and that has led to the lockdown why because we have to go for the massive contact tracing and so far what we have done all the tests from these contacts now so far it does not show anything that we should worry because we can contact we know we can account for each and every case. We can still account from where they have got this. That's why we still have a strong belief that community spread has not happened as yet. But if we are not careful, if people still come out like this every day unnecessarily strolling around in the marketplace, in any shopping center, then it will be very a big worry for all of us. Natrai kata ngila ada biakaran menin ngila ong begini le ya kan ka random testing ya por khot ki bari na ki lat pathai ko bor ngidon ngavan pa ngidon ngila sailon na ki PHC CHC tang na menta kan cluster bangin chim nomor kam shimpor kan ni la ngila man le ha ko cluster ngi pendap ka shisngi dan ni arsngi ka ngidon ka to man pa bangin le ya kan ni ka test kan ni ka antigen ni ngidon kam we lab tech na menta iwe ti we lab tech un chimpor kumba siteng genta iwe mo ti menta gi lab tech menta ngila apply ngila thungkam on contractual basis bar khoj babun ha gini lab tech tanga civil hospital ngidon sa forward ngila sai na civil hospital ru ngila bu menta sipo pulu kita di tang contractual mo civil hospital yang sa forward menta ngila bu pulu ngila pli ya gini ka testing center ya kan ka sample collection apa puluh di kanum stress yo ya ka civil hospital no bun ki bawan ki test be civil hospital ki hab yang lan tu ye ka stom ne namanta kitu ki doctor support civil hospital ro te mentang lara ya ka tu 10 ti kini ki bawan le nabar ki bang don kamban le kam kloy ke bun ngin ra be 10 sti nam ke 10 ka jaka ka he ba kata ka de ko wei kabar pada kalau iki clusters barkhat ngi don ki brio haki district kum ka southwest kasih hills kum ka west kasih ngim don brio ngim don kisru ti gitu le kisuk haban le gitu ti gini ki brio clusters ngidang thungkam hadu mentaro ya ki laptek ti ya kini ki bala ban yarap ngi don ka medical background kum ki dentist ru ngi laban le ki ayurvedic ki ayush kini ki homeopathic mentang ngidang thungkam ki shat ban le kan ni te boni bala one bad ngila thung la ngathai la palat spa ngi thung ye tangki laptek ki containment zone ki bangi don haru menta ki long ba ar phautam mo kini ki bangi pernah containment zone ki dei ki bakidon ki positive case kini ki case kim don show hang tu bon ngila ra ki corona ke center la ni ki dei ki badan po hospital ka jing ban declare ngi containment zone hang tu kalong ban eruption ngong ka contact tracing bangin so thu ko mangilit menta ko mandang ngilit hapo mo pun ngipet itu jakai badan hang tu ti yeng dan ngipet tu ki yong ban le tangi ka tu ka yeng nama kalong kampaji naka surok ba ti kidon badan hang tu na po yeng ki yong ang ilale hang tu itu kong ilale hatai ilale hang tai ta kamut ngi haban le ka tu boro khoi ta kata ko ta ka containment zone ka bangile kamut ngi haban ya dekat bat kitu kinong song hang tu bat ka dor barsno mo te kamut menta bangile ya kan containment zone kalau kawai ban pensuk ya kini ki balik contact tracing ini tak ada ke banikong kabar ban manu ki balong suspected bagi long positive ki don behen to boy ladang isim ya ka sample naki kamut ke khamsuk ini mo kinu yo ban ya chini stai yo baka safriang pada sekiwai ngasiong arfo mo antat arfo nomor labun kani bangi declare containment zone menta kadang ya chisat kum kani ka Maxwellton estate hang ni katu dang syumi mo ka pentor ukra menta ngi pentip katu kadang syumi Oxford laban kadang syumi Saulat Happy Valley itu kadang syumi katu kan ha Mautawar kan ha mo tek pet mo ngala ai hang ni ngala ai fin ni kum ka Maupat arfo ngot kum ka katar ko circle 1 but circle 2 ngila circle 3 kum ka jiao lom sunti iwe jiao laj dom iwe jahang no begisa tang itu jakakin contain hang tu nadu mande bela ladi ka lockdown bar khat ki hap song hi kum dei ban mi ting pechini nomor ba boros kata ngi buri mendai bangi buri kiteng kamlong ethical lingi bangin pentip manu bapang kanu manu bayo ni ka jingpang ndai ka don bade ka jing ai jing mut na ki snong na ki dor bar snong ba atli dei bani thu manu bapang po snong ya ki rang ba snong krang ki gintip maki ki ong ba nda la wan juruit kaya lam ki ngi setip bakadan positive case report no ti kamut kitip kintip ye kerteng kan kitip counseling Tementara kemudian man mengiyok gini positive case ni share berkirang basnong, ti kirang basnong kila ke berangkam ki contain ni ketuka area ki penbet ya kabam ya ke bariban distribute ya ketuka long yeng, tinggi share berki. Tementara kan ni kacing safrang apa ki social media te ngatrai, wei kalawan kawan jurit hakanu ke yeng, udai positif no udai positif bang yalam ya ki ban test ban le, te pun ki khen bet bai oi tai layo, tu ki pen safrang, kemudian Atau kita kiba ong hi dala di ba ngapang COVID-19 ngayo pang te kita tengah hap ai ka jingiro mo ni hap ai ka jingiro lada phi wan hi shakmat phi thu hi ngim don ye tang ba ngim long mangi ban ye thu ba ya ka kerteng ka jong banu bapang memang kata ngatrai la batai syai hai deputy chief minister badan buram jongi ha ka ayu ka ba mencisni na menasni ka ayu. No, see, I get your point. Now we have asked for total lockdown here. If we do the contact tracing, because it's massive, it's a massive exercise now. If we do the contact tracing, if we see that it has gone out of the district, then that particular area where that person is staying will be declared as a containment zone first. And if we test, we feel that there is a possibility that there's a spread there also, then that lockdown also will come automatically in that area. I think that call will be taken later. No, the government has already imposed the lockdown for 2 days. Okay, and the cases had come down. Now, anybody can predict. Okay, they have predicted so many things. They have predicted in the month of June. They have predicted in the month of May. For us, it went the other way. Now, as soon we have to take action on how we get our cases. Now, as soon as we saw yesterday that there was an increase in the number of cases, however, we can still account for these cases. That is why I think I'm definite that the government had taken the decision first to go with the containment and side by side lockdown from Monday. Kalong ni, hapor ni grams, hapor biki yo to positive case, kitu ki high risk contact jong ki bar khot biki don tu kila quarantine ki, mesti biki pelai ki sebar. Mentah kini ki high risk contact kilong positive kitu kila ada bi kendu lupa syai ki bahing syai katu syai bakin lab itu first positive case apa negrams dai na kata kadau kesami ini ndai begitu ki ba ki kham IPP ki kham pha ki kham syai ki ban phong PPE ki syai ki bele chieng ni khami positive na kitu ndon i veru belong positive na kitu kalong ni mentang ngila pentip sikidor wasno la pentip kisno kila tip ya katu kayeng ki marjan marparo ki tip fanga tu kayeng menta ka ai ka bang iong i deputy CM kilong ba menta fila tip ba kini kila ngilale contact tracing kamut manu ba fitip ba hapor bangile contact tracing kamut ki wei ki bobe tu hok thai ki ong ki tip ba kini ki breu ki lai kendo kita hapor bangile contact tracing mangi kamut bakin wan chakmat bani tu ita kerteng kadi kata biong petni kini ki nong tre ki batre na bata covid Mentah ke risk ya kinong tray ke jongi galong kini ki provide ya ke general service kum ke sub center. Telarang ngi ong ba manu ba wan fidi bendang ki mas. Mo fidi bendang kami sanitizer. Te ka shulong ba kum mangi tray po ki hospital e yangi ka don be ke risk ya kanu juga yung an mo tang covid igwe ki jing pangru. Te teng hapor ba ka immunity jongi galong lo. Kamtam le na bun kam ngim me bam ba ngim le ngidang than ba to kopor kalong lu to kopor ka immunity ha ka to kopor ka trei ba te ngamla man kano nganam kano than ni ginong trei gi jongi ba ki klam kit khia tamba ka don kopor ka ba lesi hapor ba kidang bun kam kidang ni ki wan ki kensan ki ki bam deng mas ki bam pikir ila de te tang na po boy rungi don kumba prangut sagini sawut penta long khat are khat si yui na po West Giant Hills khat lai kata ngating ay approximate mo ngam pat kena do kan no East Cassius ngi ki don kitu ki ban rivoy ki don hang ni po East Cassius mentang em khen ni gitu mo rivoy khen ko ma frangut East Cassius mentang kini ngi yo sawut pat ki doktor de fin ong sangut tang ki doktor jog government mo ngakhen ma khen sa begitu ki doktor li kan long san renew ki doktor laingut oh kini ki nongpang ki balai Bethany ki balai Harobat kidi ki nongpang ki bakil adab isolate lupa na buan Mo, kiwan dah ke symptom ke bawang bakadai ke sari case, kemudian severe acute respiratory infection. Ladap contain, ladap isolate lupa yaki. Dia kila shame ke sampel, kila long positif, kini kila long pa under isolation. Kamlong kung gabet ni, kamlong kumulong uning kong kan. Kimpoi berkat uni di case ki penrung ayum. Uni tu kidi belakang ayum. Itu iba nama irang. Ide ina stage kaliang ke bakiwan kini kina patarkma ter. Kana para nastai ke bigaliang. To, kumini iwe pada iba hapo betani mengilap karukom teri kajungi. Karukom le teri karukom yat kajungi, karukom le ka kam ka bi teri mai. Kalong ila banyo ya kami nak kiwe kiba kilong ki high risk contact. Bayi kendo. Kita. Kitu kibadan hapo Robert Hospital pada kidon kiban hapo hai. Mo kidon kiban hapo Moyong kiba kini let's say ki kendo ya ki high risk contact kiba kini ki mengilap mulai menjayur mo haden pada kini ki mulai nonglong mentai wi mulai nonglong ngiyo wi mulai nonglong mentang iyo tamangin penbana pada lasai nama itu kinang sio mentan kinang tip mo te kamot kani tanggawe nginle ya kani ke contact tracing ngile ya kini ki test ladang ngimio hi saufo sanfo ngut hakaju kaju kacaka kamut ngidang khen bang ngidang sengai ladang ilayo saufo sanmut hakawai kacaka bang ites kamut ngidang perkat pada kumai bat kai ke bangilong hinadu mencang ya balong bat ki bapen kre ba ya ki ni ki bangiyo positif ki bamlele bon nang ki bangiyo menta ki ni ki positif ki bamlele sudah nei bagi wan bagi stom nagi le lanyo tang ki ni ki badan hospital arteli mo ki bamlele ki bamdan jipang ki bamdan symptom amdan ni kamu hablong ki bapen kre ban sumar ruhai mo kalau ada kapor menta namar ya ki ni ki stom jur ngin bu iki corona care center badan doktor bat hapo ki hospital ki jo te iwe bana po Bethany menen iba stamjur ngilara no civil hospital te kumang phone mentan po civil hospital ila kham improve menta kini ki bangi yo positif kini bangi pha mangi kontes ha kitu ki bosiwan ni nei ban phates bun ki bolong negatif sudah te menta bangin num stress than ni ketika testing ka jongi berkhat nei kitu ki bosiwan voluntary bang ko aban tip te nginum la ban ni ni gitu ya perkhat chai gini ki high risk mo don ki bosu ang mga ya lenti nang tu ki ban phates ki katu ka chu lei ka chu pen lot kai gini ki test kit ki jongi fi ngane tu fi ka wei ngam nang man comment ni kani tam chi tu fi ka song ha fi bere ba fin interpret ni no see herd immunity is only when you cross till 70% gets infected then you think about herd immunity ask how many not even 1% not even 1% of the population is infected so we cannot go for herd immunity because if you go for herd immunity then there will be panic no see the persons who were tested positive from that side had moved around Mauba area okay Mauba, and she also I think she was a vendor or something, she was selling something, so she has met a lot of people including what we are trying to see now is that wedding attendees they were positive from that side 2 cases they had moved around so that is a very strong suspicion it's huge kong we cannot even account till now also only in the compound proper where she's staying it's called an estate or something no? There are so many tenants there. Then she is selling something. She has met so many. Then she has gone to the doctor's clinic. She has gone to another nurse, okay, for injection. So only from them, from the household proper, from the doctor, from the nurse, massive. See, well, when you say that, okay, when you get a positive, it puts a lot of strain on our health workers. Because this contact tracing it's a very taxing job, okay, and there are many people also who are not telling the truth. They hide, like what Ba Shamong had said. If they come forward and say that I'm positive, then it solves the problem for everybody. No, we have to. Only that day also when they had dropped the patient, 8 relatives, and now from those 8 relatives you have to go down. If we test, only 1 relative has come out positive till now. That was the daughter. All right. And The others, I think that test has been done from negatives. We have not got the report. Maybe I think it'll come in the line list of negative. So if they are negative, then all those contacts of these negative people, it'll help us. So we can rule them out. So by exclusion only we can decide which are the people we can test. The thing is that where we stand is we stand as a government, as a people of the state, we stand strong. Okay, we are strong. We fight. We don't give up. But if you say that you see the number of cases that has come up, it's the cause of worry. No, that is why we need all the others, the people from the Shnong, the friends, okay, the relatives, where they can tell us. And the people, now we know, most of the people who met her also, they know that she passed away because of COVID. So they should come forward. If that is the case, when we do the contact tracing, okay, we meet many people, they will be telling us. But those people which we cannot contact from other district, other state, it's difficult. That's why contact tracing is very difficult.